So today we're playing Roblox. Welcome to Sammy's World TV. So this is my first time. Ito yung Abby na i-choose what you rather. Headless face. So I'm gonna just go with the cooler one or headless. Pwede ba mag-change? No! Hindi na pwede mag-change. So, I'm gonna be emo. Mutigan pa ako mahulog nun ah. Madami din tao dito. Tanga. Another pants or these pants? These are pants. No! Bro. I'm failing! No! No! At least I win. This shirt or this... Oh my god! This is my favorite. Girly. Girly pop. 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 Ano gagawin ko? Ano? Sidewalk. Boom, bim, bam, bim, bam. This hair, random hair. This hair. This is so beautiful. Beautiful ah. My lipstick. Sana all. Yun. I hope I did not fail. Nothing or Roblox. Roblox. This is my favorite, but it looks like I'm a girl. Oh. Bro. Hindi mo pa naman. Same pala din. Ay, hindi pala ako sa boys. Yay, nice. Okay. Like, eyes, this accessory, this random accessory. I guess you may on the... Bro. Looks like I'm cute. No! Ay, mabuti. Kala ko mahulog na ako. Di pala. Sana all. Hindi ko alam, ayaw ko yan eh. Wait lang, hindi ko makita yung sarili ko. I'm super cute! Wait lang, bro. I'm super cute. Ayun. Wow, Jesus lips. Oh. Sumigaw talaga ako off my top of my lungs. Thank you. Wow, that is a glitch. Wow, ang galing ko but do not, huwag mo ako competing na nahulog ako. I'm not a pro at Abby. So, I'm just a noob. Gusto ko ganito yung outfit ko eh. But sayang wala akong Robux. This accessory around the... What the? Pushing. My favorite is a pushing cat. Ew. This is accessory. That is... Mamma mia. Looks like I'm gonna top of my lungs. Ilan ko pa silabi yung top of my lungs? Ay, ano ba yun? Pahulog-hulog ako? Ma'am, try ko mag-patient. Ooh, I'm flying. Random hair or random pants? Random hair, this is favorite. Hindi naman favorite ko. Wow, I'm cool. I'm super cool. Super cool. Sana ganito yung Roblox avatar ko. I hope random hat. Oh, cute naman yan. Avoid, oh my god. Sabi ko avoid the the white thingy. Hindi ko naman na-avoid. I want a random accessory. Oh, Ring Valentine's, look at that girl. She's so beautiful. Sana ganito yung avatar ko. Super sad ako na wala akong Robux. Flying to the air. Flying to the air. Maraming tao naglalaro nito minsan. Ang ganda nitong hair, ba't kailangan ko mabayad ng Robux? Cute na nga ng ano ko. Cute naman to. Cute. Walang problema. Skirt. La 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 la. Okay. Bro, I don't want to reset. So, this is my favorite avatar. But, kailangan ko ulitin to this tree. So cute. So, I think, pagod na ako. So, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to me. and see you next time. Bye!